In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can figure out what your customers want. Do you have a million ideas for what you could sell to your customers? Or maybe your well of ideas has gone dry. Or you have a lot of content already and you don't know which to use first. The question that's probably going through your head is, what do my customers want? What should I be teaching them next? What products should I be creating next? What content should I put into my membership site or blog? What webinar topic should I focus on next? These are all great questions which you simply can't answer on your own. You need to ask your customers directly, somehow, somewhere. But here's one question that you should not be asking. What do you want? Because they really don't know. Your customers know the problems and challenges they have, but they don't necessarily know what the best solutions are. As Steve Jobs said, customers don't know what they want until you show it to them. You can easily use a survey, interview, or other research method to get a good idea of the challenges your customers are facing right now. Then it's up to you to use your expertise to figure out different solutions to their challenges. That's your job, not your customers. Give them a list of the top solutions based on your research, then ask them to rank the topics in priority order. So don't guess what your customers need. Make your life easy and just ask them. Now you can learn more and teach others how to get to know your customer with our brandable, ready to teach course. Check it out below.